Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your taskbar transparent on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Microsoft Store on your device, and once you open it up, just use the search box and simply type in translucent TB and start your search. Once you find this application, you can tap on the Get button, which will now download the translucent TB application on your device. This stands for Translucent Taskbar, which after installing and using will make your taskbar completely transparent. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up and then click on Continue, and you will now immediately notice that your taskbar has become transparent. Click on the up icon to show your hidden taskbar menus, and then right click on Translucent TB and make sure that Open at Boot is selected so that this will be your default view whenever you log into your PC. If at any time you wish to disable it, you can simply exit the translucent taskbar, and now your taskbar will return to normal. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your taskbar transparent on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.